guys, are you ready for this? We're just going to do a 10-minute quick burn, all right? So if you don't have time, this is the time for you. No time for talking. All right, just get your heavier set of weights. 2 weights are just needed, and let's get it going. We're going to get some full body action. Tabatas, baby. 20 of them, no repeats. Let's get it going. All right, guys, march it out. March it out. Big inhale up, exhale down. Going to be a quick warm-up, quick workout, all right? Bring it in, step it in, come on. Bring it to a hamstring curl, right back, right back. All right, wrap it around, right here. Bring it up, high, let's go, high, high. Bring it down low, and push the ground. Come on. In 4, 3, 2, let's get to a squat right here. So we're going to keep it low impact too, y'all. All right? In 4, 3, 2, give me a pulse and stay down, stay down, stay down. Come on, in 4, 3, 2, bring it up and give me a knee. 4, 3, 2, step out, bring it in, straight arms. We're still in that semi-squat, y'all. 4, 3, 2, all right, legs wide, sumo squat, bring it down, bring it up, down, bring it up, go. Chest is nice and high, give me 4, 3, 2, all right, stay low, all right, come on. I said stay low and I didn't even go low. Pulse, give me 4, 3, 2, all right, are you ready? You should be nice and warm. First move, we're going to get those wings. We're going to squat, pulse, all right? 3 pulses, bring it up. Ready? Let's go. In 3, 2, let's go. And pulse it out. 3, 2, 1, stand it tall. 3, 2, 1, stand it tall. Yes, come on. Let's go. 3, 2, all right here, we're going to deadlift, wide row. Check it out. Down, wide row. Yeah? Let's get it. Booty back. Back is flat. Bring it up. You got this. 3, 2, all right, you still got your weights, push presses, all right? Right here, you're using those legs. Ready? 3, 2, push presses, using those legs. Come on, get that little hop. Lighter weights, you're going a little bit quicker. 3, 2, all right, let's get some cardio in. Come on down. We're going to go mountain climbers, 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, let's go. Come on. Check out the mirror if you got one. Is your back rounded? Flatten it out. 3, 2, knees down on the ground, child's pose. Come on back, wide bend with those legs. Renegade row, plank, renegade row. Ready? Let's go. Come on. at the heel, nice and quick. Come on. Yes, y'all. Pump out that chest, y'all. 3, 2. All right, come up here. Alternate that bicep curl. Don't swing. Ready? 3, 2. Let's go. Alternate. You got this. All right, bring it here. We're stacking to your shoulders right here. Alternate that press. Ready? 3, 2. Let's go. Alternate that press. Keep it going. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. We're going down to the ground again in less than 10 seconds. 3, 2. Come on down to the ground. Cardio time. Plank jacks this time. Step out or plank jacks, all right? You're right here or you're right here. Get that core in and cardio. Let's go. One knee, guys. Stay at one knee. Wood choppers, right here. Wood choppers. Take a look at that weight. Let's go. One side. Ten seconds, y'all. Keep it moving. 3, 2. All right, switch other leg. Switch other leg right away. Ready? Yes, we are. 3, 2. Bring it up. Crushers, all right? Push press with a skull crusher. Right here, skull. Bring it in. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't stop.
Don't stop. Come on. Woo! Yeah, we will. Come on. Nice and quick. All right. Going back to that cardio. High knees. High knees. Nice sprints, all right? 3, 2, let's go. Sprint it out. Sprint it out. Move those arms, y'all. Can you go even faster? 3, 2. All right, that touch, that touch. Bring it to the waist. Deadlift. We're coming back. Remember this? Now we've got that row. Twist row. Bring it down. Row it out. Yeah? Booty back. Head follows. Bring it back. Come on. Get those elbows behind that back, y'all. Other arm. 3, 2, let's go. You feel it in your quads? 3, 2, oh my goodness, cardio time. Lateral shuffle, we're going to hop. Lateral shuffle, bring it. Lateral shuffle, touch it, bring it. Come on, touch it, bring it. Y'all. 3, 2, all right, check out the weights. We're going to walk it out. We're going to pick up those weights, all right? Walk it out, push up, bring it back, pick it up. Walk it out, push up, bring it back. This is your last move, y'all. 10 seconds. Keep it moving. Yes, you can. 5, 3, 2. Woo! That's what I call a killer fast burn. All right, if you gotta go, go. But otherwise, let's cool it down. A nice quick cool down. Bring it around. Woo! All right, bring it up high. Come on. Bring it to a hamstring curl. Right back from the beginning. All right, just a couple lateral lunges and you'll be good to go. All right, if you need extra stretches or you got the time, get those extra stretches in. Arm circles, nice and slow, and bring it back. All right, guys, big inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, one more time, inhale up and give yourself a big hug. Thank you for joining me in Swagger Fitness. I know you're in a rush, 10-minute burn. I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happiness. Subscribe below if you can. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.